I created quick and easy 4-ingredient, low-fat, plant-based, oil-free, healthy vegan chocolate popsicles that don't contain sugar, dates, coconut, and are incredibly delicious. You want to use very ripe bananas because these are sweeter and it will make your popsicles creamier. It ends up being 1 banana per person. Blend this first without adding any of the other ingredients. Blend it so that it's creamy, there's no chunks, and then you'll add cocoa powder, which gives it that wonderful rich chocolate flavor. I'm using tahini, which is a sesame seed. And this gives it a wonderful richness, a little bit of fat. I do like a lot of vanilla flavor. And when you are making a raw dish, in other words, you are not heating it, you want to make sure to use vanilla that does not have any alcohol in it. Otherwise, your dessert will not taste right. It'll taste like alcohol. And I do not like vanilla powder because it just doesn't have a very strong vanilla flavor to it, in my opinion, at least not the ones I've tried. Now, vanilla is extremely expensive right now, so if you do not have vanilla, it's okay. This will still taste absolutely delicious. Blend again. Make sure you are using a food processor and not one of these like this, because these require liquid and the suction, so it won't blend properly because this has no milk. And the reason why I don't put almond milk in it is because I really want it to taste creamier, more like an ice cream than like an icy. So this will take about 6 hours to freeze. If you want to make a creamier type of popsicle, I like to add a little bit of tahini on one side of the popsicle. You just use a half a teaspoon and just drizzle that on. Totally optional. It tastes good with and without it. It's so soft and creamy. It's incredible. It's totally not like a typical popsicle. You probably don't believe me that it tastes so good. All right. Go watch the rest of my videos. I'm gonna finish this. Hope to see you soon.